Welcome to our video on how to use Sonofit Ear Drops for maximum effectiveness. In this video, we will guide you through the proper usage of Sonofit Ear Drops to help you get the best results. So, let's get started. Before using Sonofit Ear Drops, it is important to clean your hands thoroughly to avoid any potential contamination. Wash your hands with soap and warm water, and dry them properly before moving on to the next step. To ensure proper administration of the ear drops, tilt your head to the side opposite to the ear you will be treating. This will allow the drops to flow easily into the ear canal. Carefully hold the Sonofit Ear Drops bottle and gently squeeze it to release the recommended number of drops into the ear canal. Make sure the dropper does not touch the ear or any other surface to avoid contamination. After administering the ear drops, gently massage the area behind the ear using a circular motion. This will help the drops to spread evenly within the ear canal and ensure maximum effectiveness. Remain in the tilted position for a few minutes to allow the ear drops to penetrate deep into the ear canal. This will enhance their effectiveness and promote proper absorption. Congratulations! You have learned how to use Sonofit Ear Drops effectively. Remember to follow these steps each time you use the drops for the best results. Thank you for watching.